Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the exciting world of digital assets. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss: non-fungible tokens, or NFT. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to understand what NFTs are, how they work, and why they have taken the digital world by storm. So, let's get started. What is an NFT? NFT, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that can represent ownership or proof of authenticity of various types of digital or physical items. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible, NFTs are one of a kind and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. How do NFTs work? NFTs utilize blockchain technology, typically built on Ethereum, to provide secure and transparent ownership records. Each NFT contains a unique identifier that is stored on the blockchain, ensuring its authenticity and preventing duplication or counterfeiting. Different types of NFTs. NFTs can represent a wide range of digital and physical assets, including artwork, music, videos, collectibles, virtual real estate, and even real-world assets like real estate and cars. This flexibility has contributed to the rapid growth and adoption of NFTs across various industries. Creating and minting NFTs. Artists and creators can mint their own NFTs using specialized platforms and marketplaces. By minting an NFT, creators can establish ownership and set rules for the distribution and monetization of their digital creations, providing a new way to engage with fans and generate revenue. The value of NFTs. NFTs have gained significant attention due to their potential for high-value sales. The value of an NFT can vary based on factors such as scarcity, demand, reputation, and the perceived value of the underlying asset. Some NFTs have sold for millions of dollars, making headlines worldwide. NFT marketplaces and platforms. Several online platforms and marketplaces, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRare, have emerged to facilitate the buying, selling, and trading of NFTs. These platforms provide a space for artists, collectors, and enthusiasts to connect and participate in the NFT ecosystem. Smart contracts and NFTs. NFTs rely on smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements written in code. Smart contracts enable automated transactions and enforce the rules set by the creators, ensuring that royalties are paid and ownership transfers occur seamlessly, without the need for intermediaries. NFTs in the gaming industry. NFTs are revolutionizing the gaming industry by introducing unique in-game items, characters, and experiences. Players can truly own their virtual assets and trade them with others, creating a vibrant and decentralized gaming economy. Environmental impact of NFTs. NFTs have faced criticism for their energy consumption and environmental impact due to the energy-intensive process of minting and validating transactions on the blockchain. However, efforts are underway to explore more sustainable solutions and reduce the carbon footprint of NFTs. Start speech and speech legal and copyright considerations. The rise of NFTs raises legal and copyright questions regarding ownership, intellectual property rights, and licensing. Legal and copyright considerations. The rise of NFTs raises legal and copyright questions regarding ownership, intellectual property rights, and licensing. It's crucial for creators and buyers to understand the legal implications of creating and owning NFTs. Copyright laws and licensing agreements play a significant role in determining the rights and responsibilities associated with NFTs. Artists should ensure they have the necessary rights to mint and sell their creations as NFTs, while buyers should be aware of the rights they acquire when purchasing an NFT. NFTs and digital collectibles. NFTs have sparked a new era of digital collectibles, where enthusiasts can own and trade unique digital items. These can include virtual trading cards, virtual pets, and even virtual real estate within virtual worlds. The ownership and scarcity of these digital collectibles make them highly sought after by collectors and fans. NFTs and charitable causes. NFTs have also been leveraged to support charitable causes. Artists and creators can use NFT sales to raise funds for charities, foundations, and social initiatives. This unique approach allows individuals to contribute to causes they care about while receiving a tangible digital asset in return. Secondary market for NFTs. NFTs have a thriving secondary market, where buyers and collectors can trade NFTs after the initial sale. This market allows for potential appreciation in value, as well as the opportunity to discover rare and unique pieces that were previously unavailable. The secondary market has become a hub for NFT enthusiasts to engage and connect. Challenges and future of NFTs. While NFTs have garnered immense attention and popularity, challenges remain. Some of the key challenges include scalability issues, sustainability concerns, and ensuring the protection of creators' rights. However, ongoing advancements in technology and increased awareness are paving the way for a more sustainable and inclusive future for NFTs. NFTs beyond the digital realm. NFTs are not limited to the digital world. They have the potential to bridge the gap between the digital and physical realms. With the emergence of blockchain-based authentication systems, NFTs can be used to verify the authenticity and provenance of physical assets such as luxury goods, art, and historical artifacts. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to non-fungible tokens, or NFT. We hope you found this video insightful and that it sparked your curiosity about this fascinating technology. As always, we appreciate your support.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more great content. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on this channel, and connect with me on my social media accounts. Insert your social media handles or links here. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.